Hello friends, my name is Rovilal Tudu. I am an English learner. I am learning English. I am trying to speak. I am trying to improve my speaking skill. And if you are beginner and and if you are also learning English, then this video is for you. If you want to speak English confidently and fluently, then you have to follow few simple methods. Method one is listen to English every day. You need to listen English every day. In the beginning, you can listen at least 10 minutes a day. You can listen English podcast. You can listen English YouTube videos, whatever you like, and you can listen to English music. Then the another step is start thinking in English. If you are translating from your mother tongue to English, then stop it today. You start thinking in English. Whatever you want to speak, you think directly in English. Don't translate from your mother tongue. The next step is learn only 5 new English words a day. Don't try to 50 or 100 words a day. If you try to learn or try to memorize 50 words a day, then after few days, you will forget all the words. So if you don't try massive words, you try just 5 words a day and you try to use them in your daily speaking sentences. The next step is don't afraid of mistakes. In the beginning, mistakes are normal and don't afraid of mistakes. You are making mistakes means you are learning because the mistakes are part of learning. So friends, don't afraid of mistakes and you try to speak English. The next step is speak English very simple sentences. In the beginning, you don't try a long sentences or don't try very difficult sentences. You speak very simple sentences like I am going to market and it is raining today. You speak like that type of sentence. And the final and very important step is speaking. Speaking is very important. If you don't speak, then you cannot learn any language. If you learn all the English grammar rules and if you read more books and you think that after completing I will able to speak English, but it is not happening because speaking because perfection not come suddenly. It comes it comes slowly and it is and you can learn English step by step. So you start speaking from today. You start speaking from today. In the beginning, you can speak in front of a mirror and you can describe whatever you can see around you. So friends, if you follow all these methods, then you can see big improvement on you after few months. So friends, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.